Hey everybody, Doug Reynolds here, your Sacramento Area Realtor, and this video is titled Sacramento is no longer a seller's market. So I'm shooting this video at the very beginning of October 2013. For the past year and a half, Sacramento has been in the most extreme seller's market on record. I mean, we've basically been below 1 month of inventory for over a year. The median price bottomed out in January 2012 at $160,000, and we're all the way up to $254,000 in August 2013. So a huge shift. There was no inventory, millions of buyers, cash everywhere, multiple offers everywhere, properties just going up and up and up and up in value. Well, I'm here to tell you, October 2013, we're no longer in that crazy seller's market. What happened in June, the very beginning of June, interest rates bumped up substantially. This is June 2013. Interest rates bumped up pretty substantially, and that really caused the buyers to say, whoa, what's going on here? And the market kind of stalled a little bit for a couple of weeks while everyone kind of caught their breath. Whoa, they were kind of in shock with rates going up. Oh my gosh, from 3.75 to 4.5 or 4.75. But it was a big jump. Historically, we're still at extremely low interest rates, but it was a big jump. So that was kind of the tipping point. I started talking about that back in June and just explaining that this was coming, but it was going to take a while. Go back at my videos, you'll see that I was talking about this for months until it actually happened. I kept warning of it. So what I'm here to tell you though is that it's not the end of the world, the sky's not falling. We're in a balanced market now in the Sacramento area. That's a good thing. We've been needing that for a while. So it's not, prices are not dropping like crazy or anything. We're at a balance here, There's still a good amount of buyers, there's inventory, and it's give and take right now, and we're kind of flat right now. So what I'm seeing out there to kind of show you that this is what's going on. In August, the stats were flat. From July to August, basically the price was flat, and that was the start of showing it. It should continue that way throughout the fall and the winter months. Might go up a little bit, down a little bit, up a little bit, down a little bit, but it should be pretty flat. Basically, one of the biggest things is there's a lot less cash investors out there. A lot of the cash investors from out of town that were coming in and buying everything up, they've pulled out. Prices have just gone too high at this point to be able to keep purchasing those properties. It doesn't make sense. So there's less cash buyers, so that's kind of slowed things down in regards to buying up tons of inventory and all this competition. Days on the market is slowly starting to go up as there's a little bit less buyers out there. There's a little bit more inventory, so days on the market starting to go up a little bit. We're starting to head into the fall and winter months. Traditionally, the market slows down a little bit, so it's not to say that's a bad thing. We're just heading into those months here as we move forward, so that's going to help balance things out a bit. We're starting to see some price reductions going on. There's some sellers and also some agents out there that just haven't quite caught on that the market has kind of leveled off and balanced here. So they're still testing the waters really high at those high listing prices, and they're not getting sold anymore like they were back in the spring. So we're starting to see some properties with some price reductions having to come down in price to get a little more reality with the way the market is. Starting to see properties come back on the market after getting into escrow, just for various reasons. A lot of times maybe there's an appraisal problem because the buyer still hadn't been able to get a property for the last year. They went high, and it just didn't end up appraising or something. Or that's not going on a whole lot, or also what's most common is stuff's coming up during escrow in regards to inspections. The buyer wants it fixed, the seller's not willing to do it, they can't get an agreement, the deal falls apart, they come back on the market. What else? We're seeing just all of those things together is what's showing that we're no longer in that crazy extreme seller's market. So sellers out there, you're about to put the house on the market, wake up, listen to what I'm telling you, hire a realtor that knows that the market has shifted from what it was the last year and a half, so that they can help you price your house right from the beginning rather than overprice it and have to end up selling it for less later on. So I'm predicting this market's going to be balanced through this winter. The inventory is probably going to continue to trickle up into the 2 to 3 months range. That's a good thing. Historically, a balanced market is about 4 to 5 months worth of inventory, so it's not a big deal if we get to that point. That'll be okay. Our market's needed this balance for a while here, so it's good. It's good for everyone. So that's my video in regards to no longer a crazy seller's market in the Sacramento area for starting in October 2013. If you're looking for information on how to contact me out there, you can go to my website, sellwithdoug.com or buywithdoug.com, as well as you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can like my Facebook business page, as well as you can follow my blog online. Tons of good information. Feel free to call or email me if you got any questions, if you're looking for an agent to help you out. I'd love to work with you. So, hope everyone's doing well, and clear skies.